We'll answer this one. In triangle ABC, AB is 13, BC is 16, and AC is 18. Which angle has the smallest measure? Okay, so ang gagawin muna natin dito, we have to draw first the triangle. Okay, so unahin muna natin itong pinakamaliit na measure sa kanyang side, yung the shorter side. So, yung shorter side natin, that is 13. Okay? Then, sunod, yung BC, 16. Okay? Taas-taas konti. So, this is 16. Tapos, yung AC is 18. So, ito yung AB, which is 13. Di ba? Tapos, BC, so ito yung C. BC is equal to 16. Okay, ito, this one, the side. Then, AC is 18. So, the question is, which angle has the smallest measure? So, ang titingnan natin dito, ano yung pinakamaliit na angle na pinakamaliit. So, ang opposite ng smallest side is the smallest angle. So, yung smallest side natin dito is line AB. So, therefore, yung smallest angle is angle C. So, letter C is the correct answer.